you doing today? I just wanted to show you two quick modifications that I made to my Onefinity CNC machine. First time I went to cut, I happened to take one of my wrenches from my router. You can see how thin they are. And I happened to kind of toss it to the side. What fell off, it fell underneath the rail. So when the carriage came forward, it actually hit that wrench and jammed up the whole cut. So I was, wondering what I could do to raise everything up to make that clear. So all I did was take 3/4 MDF, cut 4 little small blocks, and put underneath the foot of each corner, and that raised the whole machine up 3/4 of an inch. And you can see now this is a 3/4 inch piece of MDF. It'll slide right underneath the rail, so I no longer have to worry about that problem happening again. Now, I did have to take my Z-axis carriage and lower it down 1 screw hole so that it would be at the right height for cutting, but that was basically nothing. That didn't take any time at all. And then the second thing is people talk about static on their machines, and I've noticed that there is a lot more static when you're cutting epoxy. It sticks to everything. So I simply took a single wire and attached it to something metal on my machine. This happens to be by the motor. And then I ran it down to the ground on a plug and plugged it in. Don't connect it to one of the power leads. You want to connect it to that third prong on the plug, which is the grounding. And that helps dissipate some of the static that does build up. It's not a cure-all, but it helps out some. So I hope these two modifications can help you out some too. Thanks for watching.